Today, I'm going to show you how to change t-shirt design in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your object selection tool from the toolbar. Open the mode list at the top and select Lasso. Now go to Layer and select Background Image. Then create a selection around the body of the t-shirt. Again, go to Layer. Now press Ctrl J to cut the body of the t-shirt from its background. Now open the eyes of the design layer. Right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. Go to the FX icon and choose the blending options. Go to Blend Mode and select Multiply. Now hold the Alt key to split the black slider, and drag sliders till get better result, then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. In this video, I will show you how to fix dark images in Adobe Photoshop. Press Ctrl-Alt-2 to select lighten areas. Then go to Select and choose Inverse. Open Layers panel. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate selection. Change its blending mode to screen. Now get 2 more copies by pressing Ctrl-J. Change blending mode of the last layer to lighten. And this is the result. Follow for more tutorials. Remove the background in one click in Photoshop. First, unlock the background layer. Go to Window and open your properties. From the Quick Actions, click on Remove Background.